These are the modernized elevators at the Kentucky International Convention Center in Louisville, Kentucky. See which one we get. These were formerly Dovers. That one.
Going down.
L. I filmed these on the GoPro. Elevator P3. Man. Synergy. Woo, this is fast. These things are fun.
Floor L. Going up.
These tires low. Woo! Very nice elevators. Man, these are fun. Vandal resistant. There's the old phone box. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone.
Going down.
Now I'm gonna switch to the other one. Here's a hands-free ADA code compliant phone out here. That one, P4. These are the 4 elevators. I just switched cars. Here we go. Whee! These things are so fun. These things, well, these are roller coasters.
Floor L. Going up.
Look at the shaft. Completely replaced. The Dover blue is gone. Whoa! These things are roller coasters. Old phone box. Ugh. That dropped my stomach.
Floor U. Going down.
Good. These things are fun to ride. They're almost like roller coasters. There goes in. That's it.